another TikTok shop video and another bodysuit. So I really love the thumb holes, and I really love the fact that it gives you curves in everywhere. For size reference, this is a size medium, and I picked the color black because black goes with everything that I have, and it just fits my vibe. This bodysuit is very stretchy and very comfy and very easy to put on, and it is not see-through at all. You can also style this with many different things, but for now I'm just going to wear it like this. And I've been so obsessed with bodysuits lately, so if y'all want your bodysuit, I'm going to link it down in the caption and you can get one for yourself.